morning everyone. My name is Ishan. I am from Kottivakkam Maker Lab and I study in 5th. My school's name is the Indian Public School. This is my foundation level project, Burglar Alarm. So, I have taken the IR sensor. I have taken the IR sensor right over here, the buzzer, the power supply board and the battery. So you see it burglar alarms are basically in some homes. They can alert you if there's a thief or anyone. So my project works a bit like this. So if anyone puts their hand on anything in front of the IR sensor, it automatically sends rays then it automatically sends the alert to the buzzer, and then the buzzer starts to beep and we will be alarmed.